Hello, everyone. Good morning. It's a privilege for me to be here and especially sharing the stage with Rui. We are here today to share with you our experience about how we are helping our clients, our partners, building their own AI solutions to optimize their business processes and to drive innovation.
AI, good morning, first. AI is revolutionizing industries, driving innovation, and transforming the way we operate our organizations. Many companies, however, they struggle a lot about taking the full potential about the AI solutions due to fragmented, unstructured, or inconsistent approaches to AI development. But let's take a look.
In today's fast-paced world, AI is transforming industries. But how can companies harness its full potential? Unstructured AI development leads to several challenges. Different methodologies, scattered data, security breaches, and resource wastage are holding back progress. Enter the AI Factory, a centralized, standardized, and scalable approach to AI development. With an AI factory, companies achieve standardization, efficiency, enhanced security, and robust governance. Consistent methodologies, integrated data, secure systems, and optimal resource use drive success. Build your AI factory today and unlock the full potential of AI for your organization.
Well, we've been developing AI solutions across the world, and from what we saw so far, almost every organization already adopted AI. From one way or another, they are already using the technology, they have all the use cases, they are, using AI to foster their business processes. But what we see also is that most of them are doing it in a parallel and segregated way. Well, they can quickly achieve some results, but not the ideal results, especially when you think long term. In the same way that some time ago we were speaking about the importance of data democratization, where data should be available for everyone in a company, we must start thinking about AI democratization. Building a foundation so everyone, every department can take advantage of AI technology to enhance their productivity, their business processes, and so on. So, in fact, we understand now that it's very important to have a centralized, a standardized, and a scalable AI infrastructure for the development, the deployment, and even for the management of the AI solutions. We know that for achieving a great AI development process that will transform companies' AI journey, a solid foundation is very important. Rui, can you share with us some of the topics that we must bear in mind while creating this AI factory development approach?
Yes. From the point of view of the AI factory, you talked about data democratization. At that time, we talked a lot about data silos. And this is very important for, first of all, starting this construction, this structuring of the AI factory. We create a unified data infrastructure, break down silos and support all AI initiatives. Topics like data quality, data accessibility, data governance. This will guarantee that we ensure that all your AI initiatives are built in high quality, accessible and well-governed. And this is very essential to AI development in our organization. And this allows us also to scale. Creating this data foundation will allow us to real scale, because data will be centralized, will be governed. And this scalable will also derive in a scalable AI infrastructure, supporting the development, deployment, and management of all AI solutions. Will ensure that we enable an infrastructure that ensures that AI workloads are growth efficiency. Will increase also data volume. Model complexity will be more responded, and we can respond more use cases to the end users.
Fostering departmental collaboration is a topic that cannot be overlooked as well. First of all, we must remember that every department is part of a bigger goal for the organization. So it's time to break silos again. It's time to share initiatives, share expertise, and first and most important, to share all the data and information that they have. Find those common building blocks that can be used in the initiatives of the whole organization in a collaborative way.
So, you already talked about the AI tools. Nowadays, I don't like anymore to call them tools.
Okay.
Okay. Today, we already talked also a lot about agents, AI agents. That's why we think to create a real AI factory to respond all the challenges in the organizations, we should also to think on AI agentic approach. Incorporating all this AI agentic approach in AI development factory will enhance all the capabilities and efficiency of your all AI initiatives. Because in the past, we do have a lot of enablement of our AI tools brought in for any kind of actors in organizations. We do not manage them centrally. That's why now we can also do a step up about the adoption of AI. This agentic approach will enable us to not only to have a tool, that's what I don't like to call it, but also to take advantage of these agents to be proactive. They can execute features, they can execute user cases of integrations, automations, they can be autonomous on executing some use cases that we need in our organizations. So they don't need to be more a tool, they can be, I already heard it today to call it man in the middle, but they can also be an actor executing tasks, executing proactively some use cases in our organizations.
For those who know Rui, knows that he must speak on security. And what about security, Rui?
Yeah, for security, from the point of view of securing all those workloads, these AI solutions are more integrated in business cases, in business process. So ensuring that security is extremely important. We do know that organizations need to classify all the data, all the requirements. You know, AI Act is here. It regulates how organizations will classify all the data that are involved and used in the AI solutions. So protecting data is extremely important. Of course, I don't need to address and to advise anyone to protect the security, cybersecurity, but on top of the data protection, because data will be spread and used for all company and all use cases, they will be centralized. Also, we need to put on top of this a zero trust approach to guarantee the access control is right defined and right managed. So this is our big five to ensure that we do have a plan, a strategy to adopt our AI factory and to enable AI to all organizations.
Okay, so wrapping up, what we wanted to share with you today is our vision and our perspective that for companies achieve AI excellence, and now we are talking about how to scale their applications to be used by every department, by every person in the organization, it will need a strong and solid and secure foundation to develop your AI solutions on top of.
So thank you for this session. Today's session was more insightful and inspiring because we are seeing that organizations that are enabling AI solutions, they already have in place a lot of solutions, a lot of taking advantage of those solutions and speeding up some process in the organizations. But we are seeing that when organizations centralize and define a structured way to deploy AI solutions, they will really take advantage of AI in all the use cases in the organizations. So apply these principles in your AI initiatives. This is our advice for today. Thank you for
being here.